Hello and welcome to this tutorial for MyPCBackup. This tutorial is brought to you by MyPCBackupReview.me. Today we're going to be going over some of the features of MyPCBackup, and we're going to be showing you why you should download this and use it as your main backup software. So first, let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go ahead and sign up for the free trial, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. First, head to MyPCBackup.com, and then you're going to go ahead and sign up. So from the main website here, I'll go ahead and input some information. Alright, so I've simply put in my name, email, and put in a password, and now I am here at the download application screen. So from here you'll see that there is a woman in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, which is just describing some of the benefits of MyPCBackup. I'm going to go ahead and download the application and go ahead and begin. So let's go ahead and click on download application. Alright, so once you click on download application, all you have to do is simply click on run, and now it's going to go ahead and bring up the installation screen. So we'll go ahead and click on install, and it's going to go ahead and install all the necessary files for MyPCBackup to work. Now, once MyPCBackup is installed on your machine, you should get a window that's going to pop up right here, and all you have to do is simply put in the username or email that you entered in previously, and type in your password, and you're going to go ahead and log in. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And once you've typed in your information, you can simply click on next. And all you have to do from this point is select Backup My Documents folder, recommended, and go ahead and click on next. Alright, and once the installation is complete and you've signed into your account, it's going to come up with this screen here, and you'll notice that now it is actually backing up all of my files. So at this point in time, the backup is processing. It'll give you a percentage, and my Documents folder is now at about 15%. So it's going to continue backing everything up here. Let me just go ahead and go through some of the features of MyPCBackup. So you'll notice that you have a drag and drop option here. If you go to drag and drop here in the center of the screen, you can drag and drop files, and they'll be automatically backed up to MyPCBackup.com. If you click on My Files, you'll get a screen pop up from your internet browser, which will have a list of all of your files that are backed up with MyPCBackup.com. So from here, I can browse through all of my backed up documents, including my Documents folder, my music. Everything that I have on here is browsable through the web interface. And then I can go back to my backups, and I can go to my main screen here and see everything from my C drive to my users folder. So everything is going to be backed up onto the website. From the main website interface, you can also add another computer if you'd like to add another device. And of course, there's just a variety of other different options to view and access your files. You'll notice there's also a mobile app that is available. There are mobile apps for MyPCBackup.com on iOS and I believe Android as well. So you can actually download the application and access all of your files with you while you're on the go. Going back to the application on your computer here, you'll notice that there is an option that says Sync Folder. So there's going to be a determined folder here on your desktop where you can actually drop files into here, and that's going to automatically be backed up to your MyPCBackup storage. This is very similar to websites like Dropbox.com, where you can store files in a folder and they will be synced to your account. Going back to the very beginning here, if you click on Backup, you'll notice that everything is now backed up with MyPCBackup, and it'll give you all of the information about your backup. So it'll tell you about how much space you've used up, how many files are backed up, when the next backup is scheduled for, and how often you're set to back up your files. At any point in time, you can click on Start Backup to begin a backup at that point, and you can go into your control panel to adjust settings. Finally, if you click on Settings, you'll notice it pops up with a menu that controls all of the rest of the features of MyPCBackup. If you go here, you can see that there is a Check for Updates option, so you can update your software at any time. You can schedule updates, whether you want them to be hourly, daily, weekly, however you like. You can either manually or automatically set what you want to back up, so you can have it back up your My Documents, or you can manually select folders that you want to back up as well. You can also set a maximum file size for all files backing up on MyPCBackup. If you go to File Types, it's going to list all of the different file types supported for MyPCBackup, and of course you can add different file types to support if you'd like as well. If you click on authentication, you can update your username or your password at any time and click on update password. If you need to either change your password or you just want to update it to a new one to refresh your password, you can simply put a new one in and update it easily. If we go to power and CPU, you'll notice that you can check on automatically pause running backups when running on battery to conserve power. So if you're running a laptop and you don't want your battery to die very quickly, you can turn on power saving mode so that it's not consistently backing up files and using your battery. Also, you can select or unselect idle backups. Only run backups when my screensaver is active. So this basically means that it's only going to back up files when you're not actively using the machine. Under VSS, you'll see that there's a volume shadow copy option where you can actually select to backup files that are either locked or are in use. So don't necessarily need to check this. You can if you want. This is basically just taking files that are running that usually would not be backed up at that time and allow it to back up files that are currently processing. Not really significant, but there is a security option. You can choose whether or not you want to use HTTPS or HTTP. I would just stick with the defaults and leave it at use HTTP. Anytime if you have any questions or if you're a little bit confused, you can always click on the help icon and that'll give you some information about how to resolve any issues you have. That's really all there is to it, guys. Check it out. It's MyPCBackup.com. You can go to the website and sign up for your free trial today. You get 14 days free at MyPCBackup.com. And be sure to check out our website. It's MyPCBackupReview.me. Thanks for watching this tutorial and have a great day.